afternoon. Okay, today we study about addition with three addends number. Three addends number. Example, 38 plus 41 plus 53. So these are the example of three added numbers. 28 plus 41 plus 53. First, we add the 1 first. Ito po yung nasa 1 first po. 8, 1, and 3. Then followed by tens. Okay. First, once ng answer ay more than 10, so meaning to say bring down, then put carry. Okay, understand? Okay, start. First, 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 3 equals 12. So meaning to say carry 1. Next example is 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5 is 12. Then plus 1 equals to 13. So the answer is 132. So guys, these are the example of three added numbers. 38 plus 41 plus 53 equals 132. Thank you and sana may naintindihan po tayo. Salamat po guys. Salamat po. Bye-bye.